Abakunzi ba Mataru TV show mwese aho muherereye kuri uyu munsi kabisa, banywanyi tubateye big up kabisa mwese, abatalamu abakapo bantu bacu. Umunsi kuwundi tuziko tugenda tuva mu bwiza tujya mu bundi, dukora ibishoboka byose kabisa ngo dukore entertainment, tubazanire udushya turyoshye kabisa. So guys, we are in travel media, so we just drive from Dayton to Kentucky. Turimo turerekera ahantu bita muri Louisville, Kentucky. Bantu bacu, iyi misozi muri bujye mureba iburyo n'ibumoso, hakurya no hakuno, imbere n'inyuma. So iyi ni freeway, ni snow yaguye, birumvikana muri utwo dusozi muri kureba hakurya. Ariko rwose imihanda namwe murabizi ko baba babitunganyije, nta kibazo. We are safe, very safe in every ways. Imodoka irakomeye, imeze bon. Cameraman nawe nguteye big up cameraman. MC Nkusi kabisa, uyu munsi munywanyi nguteye big up ibyo urimo. Imana ikomeze kukugirira neza cyane kuri uyu munsi. Guys, iyi background ndakeka abantu bacu bari muri Afrika abenshi ntago ikintu bita snow ntago kijya kigwa muri Afrika, cyangwa nta snow zikunze kugaragara muri East Africa ndetse wenda no muri North East Africa. So guys, pretty much our people back home, murabona ko iyo snow yaguye nabyo biba bimeze neza burya. Ujya ubona ari kabisa, it's amazing, it's very wonderful to see the snow on the ground. It's wonderful to see the snow on the trees. It's even wonderful to see the snow around the road. You can see the right side on the driver side. The valley is very, very white color, which means that snow, it's been snowing too much of there. Namwe murabona ko kabisa biba biryoheye n'ijisho. Murabona ko ibintu byose kabisa biba biryoheye kubireba. Abantu bacu ntacyo tutazakora, even n'ahandi tuzahabagerera. We have a lot of plans, guys. We have too many plans. There is a lot of nice place, beautiful places all over around US, all over in all states around US. Hari ahantu heza henshi cyane, haba hari ama beaches, amazi, like Chicago, like Cleveland, like even South Carolina or North Carolina, even Georgia, even Connecticut, New York City. There is like a New York City bridge, even Buffalo, New York. Guys, we are here for you guys to kora ibishoboka byose kabisa guys, ngo tugende dukora utuntu tw'udukoryo, tuzana utuntu turyoheye ijisho, turyoheye amatwi, yewe turyoheye n'umutima. Guys, nicyo twiyemeje gukora, twaje tuje, nitwenda gucika intege. Umunsi kuwundi kabisa tugenda dutegura kugira ngo nawe muntu ugera mu gihe wumva kabisa uri mu bwigunge tugususurutse. Muri hangana sometime guys, to drive in US is not easy, sometimes pretty much in the freeway. It's the road with high speed with too many or a lot of attentions. I mean, you gotta be precautious. You gotta pay attention. You gotta be prepared. So niyo mpamvu guys babwira ngo mureke tujye tubohoka, dukoresha ubwonko. Ya Imana yaduhaye ubwenge kugira ngo guys tujye tureba ibiri, like tujye ducekinga like all surroundings, turebe ibiki bigaragara hirya no hino, uretse kwirirwa mu mazu gusa cyangwa se kwirirwa muri company usa nkaho ufungiranye, wanataha ukagenda ukajya mu nzu ukaba stick kuri TV cyangwa se ukagenda. Of course biba biri na ngombwa cyane umuntu ataha naniwe, but in the meantime guys, we need just to check the environment. We need to check the nature. We need to check everything. That's why we are there for you guys. Tuzajya tubagereraho mudashoboye kugera, tuzajya tubazanira utuntu mutari mwarigeze mubona, tuzajya tubazanira utuntu utatekerezaga ko just igihe runaka ushobora kuba watubona turyoshye kandi duteguye. So we still have long way to drive guys. We still have long way to drive. Turacyafite akagendo. By the way, muhumure, turahari. The cameraman is ready. Rwose cameraman ari tayari 5 kuri 5. I'm representing Matalu TV show right now, and I'm driving as well, but don't worry. I've been slept enough. Naryamye bihagije. You can just take this side, bro. It's amazing. Naruhutse bihagije. Nakubise kakawa kameze fresh cyane kabisa. Kakamo macchiato from Starbucks. Kandi guys, nabonye n'izindi motivation, the family's motivation. My kids, they've been entertaining me, they just motivate me. My lovely wife, of course, she done some amazing stuff. So turagenda dufata utuntu n'utundi turacyari kumwe. So on Matalu TV show guys, kora subscribe utarayikora, kora share and like. Turi kumwe kandi just dream big and be positive. See you next time. Ciao.